Hello, it's Wednesday, July 21st, and I'm going to give you an update of my garden, and here we go. We had a lot of rain. I did not expect so much rain, and rain is good in a lot of ways. Like this morning it rained, but now it's sunny, so that's good. These zucchini plants have been trimmed a little bit. I've gotten a few zucchinis off of here, but I've also had some that have rotted and I've had to pick them off. And the cucumber plants seem to be doing well. I've been getting a few. Every few days I've been getting one or two. Oh, I love the baby ones. They're so cute. And here's a couple that are growing here. I have this string trellis here, and I can see the value of having something stronger for especially these tomato plants. They have definitely kind of fallen over a little bit. I've tied them up, but I need to come back out here and tie them up a little better. I have a lot of green tomatoes. Oh, and look at this one. It is ripening, so there is hope. There is hope for ripened tomatoes. I am so excited to see the awesome fruit on these vines. I did come through here and trim some of the branches. I trimmed away some of the branches so that these could be more exposed to the light and so that the energy from the vine would go to the fruit. My carrots, they look really good here. I've pulled a few out and they're not quite ready to pick as full-grown carrots, but they are growing. And this zucchini plant is doing well. These are my pepper plants. I don't see any peppers on these, but I do see some buds, so hopefully I will be getting some peppers growing soon. Ooh, radishes! Awesome! Alright, the radishes and the lettuce are still doing well, still growing. And thank you for stopping by my channel. Please like and subscribe, and I will continue to update my garden, and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.